Hannah and Cecilia. It's time for Physics Story Time!
Once upon a time, in a land far away, where electronics freely roamed the earth, there lived an iPhone named Blaze. Blaze was the son of a rug merchant, the best in all of the land. He frequently accompanied his father on trips to the market, and over time, learned his father's trade. One bright and beautiful day, Blaze strolled into town. The birds begin to sing, the sun comes out from behind the clouds, and the flowers slowly blossom and bloom. Someone calls the boy's name,
Blaze, yoo-hoo!
And he quickly turns around, not noticing the rock in front of him. He trips, falls, and lands directly into a puddle of mud. Blaze expects someone to help him out of the mud, but instead, the rather gorgeous Penelope stands before him. Penelope, a mysterious gypsy-like iPod, gently pulls him out. Blaze is speechless, absolutely lost for words, as he gazes into the eyes of his lover. Suddenly, a gloom falls over the town, and the market plunges into a pitch-black darkness. The Loch Ness Monster kidnaps the enchanting Penelope and places upon her a deadly curse. The monster whispers a message into the iPhone's ear. By nightfall, your gypsy iPod girlfriend will perish to a tragic end. Her fate is in your hands. She is located in the highest tower on the highest mountain peak in what is known as the Valley of Mirrors. In order to get her down, you must create a star-like shape within this Valley of Mirrors. You are only allowed 3 concepts from the general teaching of physics. Your time begins now. Blaze frantically searches for his beloved PJ, otherwise known as his physics journal, from his satchel, and flips through the pages. Blaze needs all the information he can receive in order to be successful on his quest and to save his damsel in distress.
The related entry that Blaze finds in his PJ is the entry on light rules. The 3 rules state that light travels in straight lines. In order to see an object, light must travel from the thing to your eye, and the last rule is light travels very fast, going 186,000 miles per second, or 3 times 10 to the 8th power meters per second.
This PJ entry that Blaze stumbled upon was the entry on image formation. An image is located with 2 lines of side cross. More importantly, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. He thought of the idea of pointing a laser to a mirror and make the beam bounce into 3 more mirrors, forming a star. The mirrors will be facing the center, so when the laser hits the first mirror, the laser will bounce off with the same angle as it came in. It will be constant with the other mirrors, forming a star.
Now PJ entry that Blaze comes across is the entry of least time principle. The least time principle states that light will always take the least time path between 2 points. Least time principle implies the reversibility of light, where the path from A to B is the same as the path from B to A.
Across many difficult terrains, Blaze eventually made his way to his lover. Nightfall was approaching, and Blaze began to scramble as time was running short. Using a laser app from the App Store on iTunes, a laser shot out from his camera lens. Thus, Blaze successfully created a star within the Valley of Mirrors. Absolutely astonished, the Loch Ness Monster frees Penelope, and the 2 lovers are united once again, and they live happily ever after until the end of their days.